Hello ma'am. May I know name please?
My name is Alexia Baiwala.
Where do you stay ma'am?
At Grant Road.
What is the age of your child?
She's 3.
Ma'am, what kind of play school were you looking out for your child?
So looking with all the possible activities and where mainly is playful more than writing and emphasizing on that, because main day-to-day things what they learn by seeing day-to-day things, and that's what I have really got it from yours.
So did you consider any other play school before coming to Happiness?
No, because my son, I am with Happiness from now almost 4 years.
Okay.
I had a son, my elder son, who just passed Happiness 2 years back, and my daughter started over here.
Okay.
And Happiness was recommended to me from one of another school teacher. She's teaching in a play school, and she had recommended me Happiness. And I had not gone to any other play school.
Okay. So two good things about Happiness?
Two good things. There are a lot of good things. Where in my first one, like I can say, when my son was there, I was pregnant with my daughter, so I could not put any effort for him. But I think whatever he's learned is all from Happiness.
Okay.
And coming to my daughter, she was not speaking English at all in the first 6 months. But now, like, she's so fluent that she can correct me in her sentences.
Okay.
So it's too good. If I by mistake also say a wrong sentence, she's correcting me, and she knows so many things.
Okay.
And my son also, whatever he's learned from here, he remembers everything.
That's great.
I don't have any complaints, and nothing said about Happiness. It's too good. It's like, I can tell it was like a home to me. Now leaving Happiness, I'm going to cry more than my children.
Okay. So do you think there is any area of improvement to be made at Happiness?
I think they're too good. I would not, nothing, absolutely nothing. And I think where they have to improve, they do it on their own.
Okay.
So absolutely nothing.
So finally, on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Happiness to other parents?
Top is 5 or 1?
The highest is 5.
5, yeah. 5, full 5 on 5. And I really push all the parents. No, you go to Happiness. No, you have to go to Happiness. It's that way, It's the best. You cannot compare. It's really good. Like going to another play school and paying higher fees. You're in the lesser thing. Everything is covered.
Okay.
And really good. So I would like all my friends, whomever I know, I always push everybody. No, you have to go to Happiness. It's that way.
Thanks
really
a lot.
Good.
Thank you.
Most welcome.